want to learn how to make slime. You want to make some slime with me today? Always make some slime for us to make some slime. Okay, I'm gonna do it. Now we mix it with this. That's good. This is blue. I'm gonna be the blue in the bowl. Make sure you be in the whole bottle. So this is my dad's shading cream. Now I'm mixing with my blue. And all that, this is cornstarch. Now I'm mixing my cornstarch with my blue. I'm gonna mix this with my blue. Now let's do it. It's getting spiky boy. So this is my mommy's lotion. That's good. I need soup in the bowl now. Now I bet the bowl touch the bowl. So I think my twin right. Run down. It's not sticky. Yes. Sticky. It's so sticky. So this is too sticky. We need more blue. What is it? To make it blue. I bet my son and his face white. That can do it. Sandwich. Is it blue? Look, Mama. Wow. Shut it. Now watch my video. See you again.